Thank you for the opportunity of presenting our study on minimally invasive surgery hiatal hernia repair in the elderly, a 7-year institutional review at an independent academic community hospital. The authors have no disclosures to report. Laparoscopic hiatal hernia repair has an overall morbidity and mortality that is very low. It's quoted in some papers as 0.5%. However, mortality and morbidity rates may potentially be higher in elder patients. We gathered data at our institution trying to investigate this question by reviewing all patients who underwent hiatal hernia repair with the aims of assessing safety of the procedure, analyzing it by age group. We retrospectively reviewed charts of all patients who underwent laparoscopic hiatal hernia repair between 2012 and 2018. The data collection included demographics, comorbidities, surgical details, including length of surgery and complications, and hospital data to include length of stay and other complications. Statistical comparisons were performed by dividing the groups in over and under 65 years of age. We included 146 patients. 58 were under 65 years of age and 86 were over 65. We found that the first group, the younger patients, overall had lower rates of comorbidities and lower average ASA score. On group 2, for the elder patients, we found that they had on average longer length of stay and a different distribution of hiatal hernia type with a tendency of larger defects on these elder patients. We also find that the rate of gastropexy was higher in this group. We found no statistical difference in the overall length of surgery, in the surgical approach, open or laparoscopic, in the conversion rate, in the use of mesh, in the estimated blood loss, in the rate of intraoperative and post-operative complications, in the mere admission rate, reoperation rate, or the overall mortality. In conclusion, we find that laparoscopic hiatal hernia repair is a safe approach in all age groups. Elder patients tend to have larger hernias with more comorbidities, but these are not associated with worse outcomes. In conclusion, age should not be a limiting factor to offer patients this surgical treatment.